a T-Rex. And then we made him scarier. We invented a time machine. And then we made it really fly. We stole Christmas. Then invited everyone to come. We uncovered a mummy. Then sent you to his grave. Universal theme parks. Enter our world, around the world, and see it. Hear it. Live it. No other place on earth takes you into the movies like Universal. If it explodes, if it laughs, if it screams, on the big screen, it comes to life at Universal. It's entertainment, Universal style. To book your Universal theme park vacation in Hollywood or Orlando, call toll-free 1-888-367-4360.